By end of this video, you'll be able to create an application which can charge money on a recurring basis. So if you want to create an application which can actually get you clients and on a recurring basis, so that you can get your clients getting you paid every monthly basis. So, and how you can build this application on Lovable is what we are going to be understanding in this. So we are not going to build any one page website or landing page or e-commerce site. We are going to be deploying ready to use case in the market where we are going to be charging real money from our clients on a recurring basis. So how to do that is what we are going to be understanding in just next 5 minutes. So watch out very closely. So to collect payments, you require a platform, and here the platform I'm using is Stripe. So this is Stripe where we are going to be collecting international payment. How we can generate money, we can actually get the account debited from our customers on recurring basis, on a monthly basis, on weekly or daily. That feature is there in this particular payment platform. So you require this payment gateway to deploy a project like this. So the first things first, when you are using Stripe, you have to come onto your Stripe dashboard, and first you have to get a product created. So you go onto the product catalog. So you create a product where you give a name to your product, and you provide a one-liner description and image if you require, charge which you are going to be taking off or you are going to be having a one-time. So recurring, if you are choosing for recurring, you need to enter the amount. So whether it is going to be monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or a yearly or a weekly or a daily basis, so that you can choose, and you have to add a product. So I already have a product ready with me, so I'm going to use this particular thing. And once you have your product created, you click on the product you just created and you click on the 3 dots and you copy the price ID. This is what we require. And the second thing which we require is the API key, which will be integrating in our Lovable. So how do you find your API keys? For that, you need to click on the settings tab over here, and you click on the developers over here, and you find the API keys over here, and you click on manage API keys, and here you create a secret API key, where you click on this API key, and it will help you create a secret API key. And I already have a API created over here, and that is what I'm going to be pushing through on my Lovable. So now we have got the API key and the product ID through which we are going to be charging the recurring amount from our customers. Though these two prerequisites are required, and let's now head over to Lovable dashboard. So now we are on Lovable, and I have pasted my prompt, and so it will be provided in the description box below. You will be getting the prompt as it is if you want it. Basically, I have got this prompt created from ChatGPT. The only two things which I have pasted over here is the product ID and API key of the Stripe, which you can find in the prompt once you download. You have to integrate your own API key and your own product ID, and that's all you have to do the customization. And let's hit enter, and Lovable is gonna be help us build the whole dashboard now. So the dashboard is now ready, provided by Lovable, and now let's see whether it is working exactly like the way we have provided in the prompt. So you can see and let's start for free, and let's click on sign up. So I've now created my account, and let's see how this works. I'm adding a habit over here, and I want to upgrade. So I was getting an error, and I have Lovable to fix the error now. And now Lovable has gone ahead and fixed the issues which we were facing. Let's see if the upgrade button is now working or not. Let me open a separate page. So I've opened the preview button, and let's see if we click on upgrade, whether it is taking me to the payment gateway or not. When I clicked on upgrade, it is now taking me to a payment page where I have to enter my card details, and I will enter the details, and I'll be subscribed for the payment plan accordingly. Now you can change this payment plan onto your Stripe, and if you want to change anything over here, obviously you can come here and you can just communicate your ideas, your features you want to add it. There is you are facing here on the Lovable dashboard. And if you are not sure what you want to do, you can simply just click on chat button, and you can actually brainstorm with Lovable AI, and it is gonna help you get to a point where you can actually implement the plan and do the changes accordingly into the Lovable dashboard. And this is how easy it is to integrate any payment gateway on Lovable. And you can integrate for recurring, for one-time payment, totally depends on use cases. And that is how simple and easy to use it is to deploy a ready to use project just by using a vibe coding platform and integrating a payment gateway. So that's all from my end for this particular video. and let me know in the comment section which payment gateway you want to use in this Lovable so that I can integrate that payment gateway. Just comment the payment gateway you want to use in the comment section below, and I'm gonna help you integrate that only if I get majority of your comments in the section. So make sure you comment your payment gateway, and the maximum comments I get, I'm gonna be creating a standalone video for that particular payment gateway just for you guys. So make sure you don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon.